Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semuanya, sebelumnya perkenalkan nama saya Francisca Octavia dengan nama induk mahasiswa 22129419. Saya dari program studi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan Universitas Negeri Padang. Pada video kali ini, saya akan membaca sebuah artikel yang mana berjudul The Impact of ICT-Based Contextual Mathematics Learning on Students' Problem-Solving Ability, yang mana video kali ini diperuntukkan untuk memenuhi tugas dari mata kuliah Dasar-Dasar Komunikasi dan Public Speaking dengan dosen pengampu Ibu Dr. Salmaini S. SPD MSI. Baik, kita langsung saja. The impact of ICT-based contextual mathematics learning on students' problem-solving ability. Salmaini S, Ahmad Fauzan Imade Arnawa, Darmansyah Wahyu Widada. Doctoral Program of Education, Universitas Negeri Padang, Postgraduate Program of Mathematics Education, Universitas Bengkulu, Indonesia. Corresponding author, email salmaini.salma@gmail.com. Abstract. Mathematics is a topic in exact school that is difficult to understand. The contextual teaching and learning, or CTL, model aside by Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, can overcome this. The purpose of this research was to differentiate students' mathematical problem-solving abilities through ICT, science, CTL learning. This is a quasi-experimental research with a total population of 1,083 students of SMA and Padang. A sample of 100 students will wear selection through a simple random sampling technique, each of which was 50 students for the experimental group and the control group. The study's Davis Cheng into take a look at a mathematical problem fixing abilities. Data have been analyzed. The use of covariance analysis. This result of this research in that high school, students were taught with ICT sites, contextual learning models, are able to solve problems correctly. Meanwhile, students who learn through conventional models have difficulty solving mathematical problems. The conclusions of this research is the ability of students to solve a mathematical problem who learn through ICT. Besides, CTL learning is a better than students who are taught through conventional learning. Keyword: problem solving, ICT, contextual mathematics learning. 1. Introduction. Mathematics is an obligatory issue in high school. However, the fact is that students' math skills are still very low. Several studies have found the students still experience many mathematical errors, such as procedural, conceptual, interpretational, and correlate errors. Many students have difficulty understanding two different symbolic components for a concept, as well as getting a grasp of the function of two variables in three dimensions. The concept of function is a mathematical concept that is difficulty for students to understand. It continues thought to complex students. Learning the concept of function is often not treated comprehensively. Function learning is taught in especially eventual function and be development in different contexts. Also, that concept of function is widely studied is mathematics education. Educators should understand cognitive constraints before implementing learning. Cognitive constraints in mathematics learning that students face must be overcome through practicing different thinking activities, using prior knowledge and experience in complex certain text group, and developing various mathematical cognitive microstructure. The concept of function is a mathematical object that is usually used in problem solving. One of these things is about quadratic equation. The majority of students fail to understand the concept in problem solving involving quadratic equations. Students have difficulty understanding the concept of equations. Additive inversion, square root, also the difficulty of understanding integrate addition, multiplication, Albrecht's experience, distribution, and division laws. It was a conceptually schema by the students. Various errors and problems of collect student information and concept of function are correct in this paper. Function is a concept that is widely used in solving problems. Problem solving is one of the most important math skills. Solving problem is a major means of accomplishing mathematics goals and not just the goals of learning mathematics itself. It is an integral part of mathematics. Students must accept common probabilities to formulate, grapple with, and remedy complicated problems. The main objective of learning mathematical problem solving is to enable students to think for themselves and to equate them with a set of mathematical thinking skill and process. They are fixable, independent thinking skill and process. Students shall be advocate to mirror on-task thought during the problem fixing process. It targets that collect students and follow and adapt the strategies that interest for inference issue and inference context. Learning arithmetic talk fixing math use. Collect student collects a way of thinking, conduct of endurance and curiosity. Also self answers in condition is inquired out of door of math class. Self-assurance impact math capabilities. Mathematical catabil- Mathematical capabilities have a super different impact on problem fixing capabilities. There is a super direct impact of mathematical compatible on self-efficacy. There is a super direct impact of cell efficacy on problem fixing capabilities. A cultural difference due to overcome the weaknesses of arithmetic gaining knowledge of have been made. However, the arithmetic gaining knowledge of method could be very limited and conventional. The gaining knowledge of system having special in gaining knowledge of target and gaining knowledge of consequence. At the same disadjust system to gaining knowledge of consensus is in growth. Most of the gaining knowledge of target heads focus on remembering fast, precise, and on the and other computational aspect. Also, change in performance in arithmetic gaining knowledge of the unclear of problems. One of the innovation in mathematics learning to overcome the mistakes and difficulties of students understanding mathematics, especially the concept of functional is contextual learning as cited by ICT, information and communication technology. Implementation of ICT is a planned plan of conversing teaching is high plan objective, a teaching plan, teaching materials supporting technical response. Also for teacher training and development. The insights in the use of ICTs in education can be viewed from a broad insight in educational environment. It is not just a single technology. Make an essay for students to understand the core of function. It takes a learning trajectory that is close to the standard thoughts. It is realistic learning. Realistic learning, the starting point of learning is a contextual problems. Therefore, contextual teaching and learning strategy is the right choice of learning. Mathematics learning with the CTL approach is advertised for improving the mathematics skill of the school student. The CTL approving in discovery-based mathematics learning is designed to present real-world problems in the learning process designing learning strategies. The implication of this learning improves students' problem-solving ability using different equations. These students saw that the CTL approach contribute to improve the ability to understand mathematics, especially concept and per- the concept and display of function. The ability of students to understand mathematical concept using contextual or realistic mathematical learning tools is high that students will learn conventionally. Contextual mathematics learning tools can replace conventional learning. The result of different stressors imply that there's an effect of contextual gaining knowledge of or connected mathematics with an cultural technique at the capacity capacity to apprehend the idea of mathematics. The capacity to apprehend mathematical concept in college student talk with conceptual gaining knowledge of the method that college student will talk using traditional gaining knowledge of models. The capacity to understand mathematical standards of college student will talk the use of conceptual or realistic mathematics learning procedures is better than college students who are taught the use of difference learning after controlling for their preliminary abilities. There is a positive direct effect of cognitive structure on the ability to understand mathematical concepts. The cognitive structure is one of the sense that are included in internal knowledge. Internal knowledge is a prerequisite for students to understand mathematical concept. It becomes an illustration that the initial ability in contextual mathematics learning is a prerequisite for learning mathematics, especially the concept of function. The idea of characteristic is currently considered on one among the best standard in arithmetic, which could be very usable for now how deeper arithmetic learning, inclusive of calculus. However, calculus is also a difficult one. Step 1. Students experience microception and variance flow in calculus. Misconception and calculus, principles, and the many student experience are limit function. That is one and result of the low level of college students knowledge the idea of future is knowledge a basic idea for college students so one can resolve math problems. The problem-solving ability of students were learning with contextual problem based on local culture, and aside with ICT, in this case YouTube, is harder that students in their ability. Also, there is an interaction effect between contextual learning factors and based on local cultural and mathematics material on problem-solving ability. This shows that ICT aside contextual learning in mathematics learning and can have a positive effect on problem-solving abilities. Based on the description, it can be hypothesized the learning mathematics with the ICT CTL above can improve mathematical problem-solving abilities. 3, 4. The I for these students in considering how the ICT aside CTL approach affect the mathematical problem-solving ability in school and school student. 2. Method. Based on the problem, this research is quasi-experimental research. This is the final part of developing an ICT aside contextual learning model. This design of this student was non-qualified control group design. I see figure 1. Figure 1 reflects that O1 and O3 are pre-test, O2 and O4 are post-test, whereas is NCT ICT aside contextual learning model. The study population was a student of SMA Negeri to Padang is many 1083. This study was focused on class 10 student with the sample selection by a simple random sampling technical. The number of sample 100 students was the total of 50 students for the experimental group, action anxiety contextual learning model, and 50 students for the control group. The research instrument is as test mathematical problem solving ability research to the concept and practice and function. The instrument has been validated and reliability. Protests are given for O1 and O3 and post-test for O2 and O4. Data were analyzed using statistic number analysis of correct currents at or and COFA. Figure 2 problem solving by S1 student. Figure 2 show that endorsing ability in solving mathematical problems. Undergraduate students are ready to profit the problem. They can identify what is the noun and assert about the problems. They make mathematical models according to the problems given. Finally, the is able to solve the problem using the models and return the solution to real the problems. On the other hand, students who are taught conventional learning have difficulty in solving problems. For example, as to experience errors as hope in figure 3. Based in figure 3, as to conflict students are capable of recognizing the talk and cannot clean of the talk given. Furthermore, the defendant Furthermore, to determine the ratio of problem-solving ability of students one length of the ICT-based CTL learning models and conventional learning. Experimental data were analyzed using and SCOFA test covariance analysis. The two groups are one experimental group. This group in students will learn mathematical talk, conceptual learning with ICT assigned to this group. 5 of 50 students. The control group is 50 outdoor students who learn through conventional learning. The statistical test being witnessing the normality of the control group data that is to find out whether the population data of the two variables are normally distributed or not. The test used is the Kellner graph. Seminar Smirnov test or KS, the data on student problem solving ability in the school group showed G and KS table. The result of the analysis, sorry, Smirnov test KS, the data on student problem solving ability in the control group, how D N 0.188 NKS table 0, EKS table 0, 1, 7, 6. KS table 1.92 is so that the data on the problem-solving ability of students in the control group come from population that are normally distributed. Furthermore, the data on student problem-solving ability in the experimental group is now that N 0, 1, 0, 182 and KS double 0, 192. It means the problem solving ability of students in the experimental group come from a population that is normally distributed. After the data was normal, the homogeneity test of the two groups was using the Levin test of variance similarly. Table 1, Levin's as test. Table 2, random test of experimental group. Table 4, control group linearity test. Sorry. Table 3, control group linear test. Table 4, summary of the similarity analysis of the regression model. Table 5, summary of the analysis of the regression elements. Because all the analysis of variance has been fluent and the Turkian model are parallel, it could be acknowledged that the variance with inside the mathematical problem fixing capabilities of students in the experimental group who are given training by treating mathematics learning with ICT-based CTL learning. With the control groups, mathematical problem solving abilities being given mathematical learning conventional, the region learning for the experimental group and the control group are parallel with other regression equation being one direction equation for the expanded group is Y 74.79 plus point 0.50x to the three registration according for the control group is 950.30 plus 0.53x, since the direction question and parallel to determine which one is better, we just need to determine this contact size of the regression, because the regression line contents for the experimental group are greater than the regression line context for the control group. Nah, mulai 74.79 and 50.34. There is a big distinction in the problem-solving talents of college students who are taught ICT aside the CTL approach and conventional. The regression line for the experimental group is above the control group's regression line. This means that the arithmetic problem facing computational of the experimental intentional given ICT cital CTL approach is high that the arithmetic problem fixing conceptual of the manipulate institution given traditional arithmetic learning. This is supported by the t-test for the two means of the two gross manually constancy point 347 with that the table 1.67 at the 5% signification level. This provides and the mathematic problem solving ability of the group of students who learn how ICT aside CTL learning is better than college students who are taught to traditional method. The effect of this expand health trading research and the contextual learning approach has a learning impact on the mathematical ability and self-confidence of students. It is a learning that can improve learning or the mathematical thinking skill. As to improves mathematical skill, however, there may be no full-size interplay among contextual and expository learning with students' internal mathematical abilities on mathematical connection abilities and student self-confidence. Thus, we believe that ICT assisted CTL learning has a positive effect on the ability to solve mathematical problems, especially the concept of function. For consolation, Hangzhou students who are taught with ICT aside contextual learning models are able to solve problems correctly. Conversely, conventionally, students who are learn how conventional models have difficulty solving math problems. Finally, we can conduct the mathematics problem solving ability of the group of students who learn talk ICT aside CTL learning is better than student talk conventional learning. Baik, itulah pembacaan artikel yang dapat saya bacakan. Kurang dan lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.